update a company file in QuickBooks, you need to download a QuickBooks for desktop. Here I selected the standard setup. Then select a country, select a product, and then select what version you want to download. Then click search. After that, it will redirect you to the product that you are looking for. In this app, you can update your company file. In QuickBooks Desktop, you are manually updating your company file, while in the online QuickBooks, it is automatically updating. And that's it. That's how you update company file in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.